down, 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 down. Hands up. When the music drops, we both put our hands up. Put your hands on my body. Swear I've seen you before.
Kings have honor, soldiers have bravery, and poets have heart. But all I have is
rage. You'd never survive this. Well, happily, neither would you. To choose violence here would be to declare war against your chief. Wonderful. I'd finally be able to dispense with your pleasantries.
I've always liked to play with
Crazy? I was crazy once. Because I'm a murderous sociopath. There's absolutely nothing you could say that could break me. So back away from them, and I won't have to kill you.
Hey, the world is tamed, overthrown by him. With one furious force, he could burn your skin. Hiccups, false in the fear of the beast they knew. He controls every fang, fires every flame. Toothless holds the crown of his reign. Broken rules mean you'll be what dragons chew. A human's too. He reeks of smoke, dragons cover his back. You will start to burn if you hear his command. He took the world with his furious mind. We don't talk about hiccup, no, no, no. We don't talk about hiccup.
Okay, here's my offer. Leave now, and your men won't have to find out what burning flesh smells like.
Discord, I'm rolling out the moon and sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, whatever did we do to make you take no one away? Discord. Hot blood, these veins, my pleasure is their pain. I love to watch the castles burn. These golden ashes turn to dirt.
Kill you, dragon. I'm gonna cut out your heart and take it to my father. Hey, no, not a demon. Not a... Okay, technically a demon. Look, I'm just here to rescue these dragons, so back away from them, and I won't have to kill you.
She asked me, what have I become? And I'm looking at her like I know this one. I'm faded. Daddy, I think I've made it. Fuck being underrated. I wanna have everything they did.
Guns, bitches, weed, money,
YSL,
gold chain, Maserati, penthouse,
helicopter, fame. What you looking at, baby?
Came alive, she hung my crew before me eyes. She stole my sight and cursed me captain of the shadow. She took my eyes and cursed me captain of the shadow.
Every time you step outside, disaster falls.
I've never seen anyone mess up that badly.
Is this some kind of a joke to you? Our parents' war is about to become ours. Figure out which side you're on.
Don't try so hard to be something you're not. I just want to be one of you.
You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
He was pronounced dead. There was no way he could have survived what he went through. But years later, we heard whispers about him. The rumors were that he rose from the dead. Some were saying he looked like a monster.
But he was a hero, wasn't he?
Yes. But after all that torture he endured, there's no way he could have ever been the same.
Azrael.
Have you tried crossing over yet? I wanna die, meet them where I wanna die. I can't take a breeze, and pressure's gone. All my hands know I'm never ever done. Not enough.
So sad.
Hiccup, where are you when I need you?
Never get free, lamb to the slaughter. What you gon' do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gon' do when there's blood in the water? Look me in my eyes, tell me everything's not fine. All the people ain't happy, and the river has run dry. You thought you could go free, but that system is done for. If you listen real closely, there's a knock at your front door. You'll never get free, lamb to the slaughter. What you gon' do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gon' do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the
Never let me go. If this night is not forever, at least we are together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone. Never let me go. I can't help but love you, even though I try not.
You wanna see some real speed, bitch? I'll show you some real speed.
Meow.